Hello, friends, welcome to my How to Solve YouTube channel. Here I am going to show the tips on enabling dark mode in WhatsApp iPhone in 2 ways. Follow these 3 steps to use dark mode on WhatsApp. First, update the app from App Store, relaunch app and use dark theme. Open the App Store and search WhatsApp from the search bar. On WhatsApp app you will find an update button like this. My app is updated recently, but here's the screen. Once you update the app, relaunch app after a forced close. WhatsApp on iPhone only supports system-wide dark mode. Once you enable dark mode on iPhone, WhatsApp appear in dark mode. Follow me 2 ways to enable dark mode. First, open the Settings app on the iPhone, scroll to Display and Brightness option and enable dark appearance. That's it. Now launch WhatsApp on your iPhone, so from the first screen, you can see beautiful dark mode on WhatsApp. Like chat screen, and the same appearance for call, status, WhatsApp settings as well. There is no separate option for disable dark mode from WhatsApp settings. Now follow the second way to turn on or off dark mode. Open Control Center from top right corner. Long touch on brightness bar and see the first option is dark mode on. Tap on the option to turn off dark mode. Now WhatsApp dark mode is turned off. All the WhatsApp screen like to be normal. To enable the dark mode for WhatsApp, swipe down and open the Control Center. Open brightness bar and turn on dark mode. That's it. Here's the beautiful chat screen, and after that, you can send pictures in conversation just like earlier in beautiful appearance. This system-wide dark mode gives cool looks on iOS keyboard as well. So hope you enjoyed the iPhone WhatsApp dark mode. Before leave us, don't miss to subscribe, like and share to support us and get new tips and tricks to you.